Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are making a refreshing watermelon juice. So sit back and let's dive into this video. So the first thing I have to do is cut all the watermelon. This watermelon is very big and sweet. So the watermelon is cool, juicy, hydrating, full of water to cleanse your body, rich in lycopene to protect your skin from the sun. That's why it's good to take all these in summertime. Do you know that watermelon is about 92% water, making it an excellent way to stay hydrated, especially in the summer heat? Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining body function, regulating body temperature, and preventing hydration related to the issue like fatigue and headache. So the next thing we have is beetroot and lemon. Beetroot is a natural blood cleanser, boosts energy, and supports your heart. Lemon is a vitamin C. It wakes up all your metabolism and gently detoxify everything on your body. So go ahead and squeeze everything out. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And please kindly follow us, kindly subscribe. And to my old subscriber, thank you always for coming around, for watching your girl. Please, sharing my video out can help my channel a lot. Keep watching Choosing Delish Kitchen and enjoy the rest of the video. See you next time in my next one. Bye for now. Ciao, ciao.